Hello everyone. My name is Kishore Gautam, and I am working in a software company from last 10 years. So my today's is from the magic of thinking big, and the topic is build confidence and destroy fears. So as topic says, destroy fear. So before destroying it, we need to acknowledge the fear does exist, and if fear does exist, and we need to accept it, and then only we can conquer it, right? Fear is a psychological, infection, and it is a curable disease. Like we have, body infection. Similarly, we do treat that body infection, right? So similarly, we can treat mental infection, right? So one of the example on fear part, I can give you how we can, destroy the fear. So one of the my personal experience here in Bihar, we used to celebrate Durga Puja, and that is 10 days of celebration. And after the Sara, I mean the Murti Visarjan and all that happens, right? So in 2014, I guess our family was, contributed for idol and everything because of some mannat and all those things. And so I was, actively participating in that. And after 10 days, as we said, we go for Visarjan in, Ganga River. So I also went there. I never went inside the river, and I had no idea how to swim, right? So but as it was my we were participating, everything was arranged by us. So very actively I was doing whatever I supposed to do. So while doing the Murti Visarjan, hundreds of people, put their hands in Visarjan. And the manit, I mean, belief is, you will get good physique, and I mean, Mata ka आशीर्वाद बना रहेगा अच्छे कर्म करोगे तो. So I was also in that, and the river is like, I had never went inside that. So I thought, thoda, I mean, till we have, water till knee, I will be there, and then I will come back. So I did that, but jab when I was, middle of the water, I was not able to come out of that crowd. So people, took me inside the water with them. And after, I mean, few seconds, I was fighting with my life. I was going inside, pushing my leg, and then jumping outside to see, please see me, someone, I'm drawing, I'm going inside the water. Somehow my brother and other persons saw, 2-3% from my family only laughing. They thought I am doing some gymnastic or circus, right? They thought I am just trying to do something. But my brother knew I don't know how to swim. So he, jumped, and he somehow saved me. And that was, the fear. And I know I got, new life that day. And that day, when I came back, I have not told my father and mother about this incident. Even I was in shock, because that was very, difficult time to deal with. I came and I slept. I thought I got new life. But somehow, in village, everyone knows each other, right? So people started coming to meet my father. कि बच गया, बच गया, बच गया, माता का कृपा है, बच गया. My father asking, what happened? Then people said, you don't know. He was about to die today. Okay. My father, first time I saw my father, I started crying. My young son was, getting inside the water and all those pain. So that was very painful time. So I thought, what should I do with it, right? So first thing, when I went back to Gurgaon, I thought, uh, I searched on Google the best swimming pool we have in Gurgaon. I took 1 month of coaching, and now I can swim very nicely, right? Action, the overall conclusion to this is action cures fear. As I took the action, going forward, I will not give pain to my family because of my inability to do anything. So we always should, whatever fear we have, we need to take action for that, right? That is one of the thing. And next one is how we have some steps. So first, whenever you feel fear, you need to isolate your fear, and then pin it down, right? Determine what you are afraid of. So in my case, I was always afraid of water, going inside the water, right? So once you will determine what exactly the fear factor is, then you have to take action. So my action point was, I joined coaching classes, and I learned it, right? So you always believe, there is some kind of solution or action is always available for every fear. We have 5,000 years of human history. So don't think you are the first person in this world, and you are the first and rarest one who is facing any fear or difficulties. So there is always some solution to the problem. So this is how we can conquer it. Whenever you feel like you are going to fail in an exam, instead of wasting your time in getting in worrying, you should start reading whatever subject you have. If you think, if you have lack of confidence, you think you don't look good, improve it, right? Just crying will not help. Go to some beauty parlor, invest some money, and get it done. Next day you will look better, or after 6 months you will look better, maybe after 1 year you will look better, right? So that is how we have to, whatever problem you have, whatever fear factor you have to take action, work on it over the period of time, that you will improve and your fear will go away. That's it. Thank you so much.